Ma, how are you? Everything set for the meeting? Great. Call Mr. Abbey and tell him I said if he wants to renegotiate, he has to do better than that. We don't do anything lesser than 8% ROI these days. Oh yeah, and call the jet too. I can't be in Singapore by Friday. I need all the numbers of the merger desk before I land.
Okay, ma'am.
We clear?
Yes.
Good. Having said all that, ladies and gentlemen, that is exactly how we intend to secure a 25% increase in net profit by the end of Q4.
That is remarkable.
Thank you, ma'am.
And you're quite confident these projections are conservative? Hello, Miss Dieko.
Yeah?
Did you get my question?
I'm sorry, could you please rephrase that? I'm
said-
sorry, am I the only one hearing that sound? No.
Of progress. Really? You could just let me even have 1 minute and finish the dream. What kind of nonsense is this? Eh?